Okay, there, are we live? Okay, well, we're live on the thing here in a moment. And it's today is, whatever today is day. It's 2018, May 5, 2018. There we go. So I'm going to go live with the phone. Okay, so start live video. There. Starting live video. Okay, so starting live video, I just want to show that today is 4/18 May, that day of the month, 2018. Okay, fine. Put this down. I'm shooting with this camera here as a backup. I'm going to put this hopefully up here, and hopefully it'll stay, and hopefully it won't move, and hopefully it'll see everything. Okay, so, and hopefully it's still working. Alright, so hi. Alright, so get to it. Alright, let me get over here. Can you see me? Okay, here's a box that I bought way back when, and it's an Aiwa CS-R10, and it came in a funny shaped box, and so I'm going to unpackage it now for the first time in over a year's time, because I'm getting over being sick, and I'm trying to do radios that aren't quite so big. So alright, so now here, let's just so I package it with the handle up. Alright, so I guess I just got to go through the tape here. Okay. Oh, golly. Did they really need this much tape with the bubble wrap? Oh, God. Alright, well. Yeah, I'm going to reuse this bubble wrap for sure. There we go. Yay. Wow. Okay, so now, alright, so it, well, the buttons are there. Let's see here, does it have a manual release, eject? Okay, and that falls open. Oh, it's got the spinning head. Okay, so it's got the rotating heads. The head rotate one way or the other. That's how you get the auto reverse out of this. Okay, so Wonder how fun that will be to fix up. In the meantime, it's got a full complete like that. It's got DC 9V in. Uh-oh. Wait, DC 9V in. So this does not have a AC adapter in it. Oh, well, isn't that special? So I got a clean battery compartment. Takes C batteries. Okay, 6 of them. Okay, great. Well, there it is. How's that? Was going to plug it in and play it, but I can't because it doesn't have a. I don't have a 9V adapter handy, and I didn't bring any C batteries with me. I got C batteries, but I'm not going to waste your time and all that getting C batteries for it. Okay. I just watched a guy in. Russia yammer about one of these things for a whole long time, but let me just do this for the camera. Here it is. You're in the dark, but just pan slowly for you. It's like that. Got this on the end, and looks like this on the front. Those there. Okay, and of course I didn't bring a flashlight with me, but if you, or maybe, well, let's see if I can get one out real fast. Alright, here we go. Alright, so this has the, I don't know if you can see that with my flashlight, and anyway, so it's got the rotating heads on the inside, and that's about all I know. I'm going to see if I can repair it, make it work, play cassettes again. That's what I'm into. Alright, so it's got shortwave, got a complete antenna, battery back is all there. Alright, so good day, bye-bye. Hope you enjoyed. I gotta go. Bye-bye.